In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert less than sign on a document or mathematical problem using your keyboard on your computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now here I've inserted, or I've just typed in the less than sign on my keyboard. So I'll go ahead and delete it and show you how I did it. To be able to type or insert the less than sign, we shall use this key just next to letter M on our keyboard. So go ahead and identify this sign on your keyboard. It doesn't matter if your keyboard doesn't have this sign or you can't see it. Now, if I go ahead and tap on this key, it will not insert the less than sign, but instead it will insert the comma. This is because this key serves two purposes. So the first purpose is meant to insert the comma. However, if we want to go ahead and insert the less than sign, we need to go ahead and change the function of this key by pressing the shift key. So you can press any of the shift keys on your keyboard like that. And once you have pressed it, now you can go ahead and tap on this key. And now you can see the less than sign has been inserted. So as long as the shift key is pressed down, you can insert as many less than signs as you want. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.